Welcome to this channel.
دوستان گلم سلام، به کلبه زبان خوش اومدید. بدون اتلاف وقت بریم سراغ ویدیو امروزمون.
Do you volunteer anywhere?
Yes, I volunteer at a local animal shelter.
How do you keep in touch with friends?
I use social media and video calls.
What do you think about social media?
Social media can be useful but also addictive.
Have you ever had a part-time job?
Yes, I worked at a coffee shop during college.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
I prefer summer because I like warm weather.
How often do you go to the cinema?
I go to the cinema once a month.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are painting and cycling.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, I have been to many concerts.
What is your favorite type of music?
I love classical music.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play tennis.
How do you spend your weekends?
I like to relax and spend with my family.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is chocolate cake.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I love to cook.
Have you ever been camping?
Yes, I go camping every summer.
Do you prefer to live in the city or the countryside?
I prefer the countryside because it's peaceful.
What is your favorite holiday destination?
My favorite destination is Hawaii.
How do you usually travel?
I usually travel by plane.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read and go for walks.
Have you ever been to a museum?
Yes, I enjoy visiting museums.
What do you do for exercise?
I go jogging and do yoga.
Do you enjoy outdoor activities?
Yes, I love hiking and cycling.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What is your favorite way to relax?
I like to listen to music and meditate.
Have you ever tried a new hobby recently?
Yes, I started learning how to knit.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor?
My favorite flavor is vanilla.
Do you prefer morning or night?
I prefer the morning because I feel more productive.
What is the best gift you have ever received?
The best gift was a trip to Paris.
What is your favorite type of weather?
I love sunny and warm weather.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
How do you like to spend your holidays?
I like to travel and explore new places.
What is your favorite childhood memory?
My favorite memory is going to the beach with my family.
Have you ever been to a festival?
Yes, I have been to a music festival.
What are your goals for the next 5 years?
My goals are to advance in my career and buy a house.
How do you manage your time effectively?
I use a planner and set priorities for my tasks.
Have you ever done volunteer work?
Yes, I volunteer at a local food bank.
What is the best advice you have ever received?
The best advice was to always stay true to myself.
How do you handle stress at work?
I take short break and practice deep breathing.
What do you think is the key to successful relationship?
Communication and trust are key.
How do you like to celebrate your success?
I like to celebrate with a nice dinner or a small party.
Have you ever taken a course online?
Yes, I have taken several online courses.
What is your favorite part of your job?
I love the creative aspect of my job.
How do you balance work and personal life?
I set boundaries and make time for both.
Have you ever moved to a new city?
Yes, I moved to New York 2 years ago.
Do you prefer spending time alone or with others?
I enjoy both, depending on my mood.
How do you keep yourself motivated?
I set small goals and reward myself when I achieve them.
What is your favorite thing to do in your free time?
I love to read and go hiking.
Do you like trying new foods?
Yes, I love trying new cuisines.
How do you keep your home clean?
I clean a little bit every day to stay on top of it.
خب دوستان، به پایان این بخش نزدیک میشیم. یادتون نره که تمرین کنید و جمله که یاد گرفتین رو توی مکالماتتون حتما استفاده کنید. تا درود دیگر، بدرود.